I want to show you how I glue up a split board, because I will be using it here shortly. I'm going to be gluing up this crack. I'll show you how I do it in the tight spots where it don't want to work with normal glue running down in it. This end's really wide, so I won't have to worry about it. It's over here on this end. But what I use is I just take my normal glue and I just pour it along this crack where I want it to go, where it might be hard to get into. And I just take some dental floss, don't matter what kind, run this dental floss down this crack. There we go. You can go all the way to the end, pulling that glue back and forth down that board, both sides. Oop. Show you the other side real quick so you can see that I pulled glue all the way through. See, glue. At least I got it further in there than what I normally would have, just trying to squish it in with my finger. Let's put a little pressure right here, close to this end. Alright. Alright. I don't know how far this will work, but I'm going to try to smear it around in that groove as best I can. Get it on both sides. Put the squeeze on it with this. Turn it up. Yeah, the Irwin clamps, I got a lot. I've got like 6 sets of them. They've all been bought on clearance. Actually, I've probably got more than that. They've all been bought on clearance. These here was caught on sale. Inside track membership through Harbor Freight. I mean, I don't have no complaints with them yet. I mean, every time I've used them, I could put the squeeze to anything I've put them on. So the Harbor Freight clamps work just as good as my Irwins. My Irwins I can't squeeze as hard because they're just not made to do that. But these work out really good. So put the last clamp on and get her drying. Make them 16 inches high. Blade 16 inches long. It'll be 17.5 inches tall overall. So, yep, that'll work good. Don't need that anymore. I'll be able to hold this right where I need it. How in the world did I get that lucky first try? That puzzle Startles me a little bit. First time I noticed that. Spacer. Awesome. A little further that's got to go. Oh, so saw blade was loose. Oh, this got a stop button. Yep, it sure does. Awesome. So all that cutting I've done, and the saw blade's been loose that entire time, and it's just now showing up. It's a bolt, a washer, and a spacer. So I was looking at the best way to not destroy this earlier, and cutting into a knot like that for the bottom of the legs just ain't going to work. So what I'm going to do, or what I did, was I measure in 2 inches. I put me a mark right there, and I set my angle up on a 45, and I run it right to the corner. I'll cut that knot out completely, and I won't have no major catastrophe. I found an old drill bit, drill bit and bit set case that all the bits was pretty much busted and drill bits was gone, so I just confiscated it for this Irwin drill and countersink in one. I'll try to get one in perfect shape, square, flush, and then put the other one in place. It's just got a screw in it for now to hold it, to help hold it steady while I'm putting it in place. So I'm going to use the big square. Seems to do a better job. Got just a little bit of glue there. Took a lot of work to get that one in place. I like this new square. It's really heavy duty. It pulls better than my little short one. So earlier, when I was drilling my V-box, the glue, drilling down through the glue, really started binding this up. So I decided that it would be best if I could drill as many holes before it hits glue as possible. At some point, I am buying corner clamps. It would make this job a lot easier. If I can't buy them for this size of lumber, then I'll end up building some. So this little bench was made out of stuff that most would have been thrown away. If the, I mean, it was a 5-foot piece, but it was still been thrown away because it's cracked all the way up through there, and I glued it, and it's plumb through. I don't think I'll ever have a problem with it. If I do, I can come in here and I can put a pocket hole screw in to squeeze it back down together if it cracks. But I think I'm good. And the top was cracked almost all the way across. Actually, it was cracked all the way across. And then this has actually got a crack a little bit all the way through. Like I said, it had glue on it. The other end was the only spot that wasn't cracked.